Omore kogo gwesure second annual Biotechnology Exhibition gw'abejuba masti abarukushome bya Sayansi na Teknolojia borekere ibintu bitari bimwe na bimwe bahangireho na bwanyuma Musenero agizire ngo abasayansa bakozese kubomoga gwabo go kureba ngo bahangaho emirimo konka kitare cyo musayansa kuza kuronda umurimo.
We have very many who have graduated and they don't have jobs. Why are they full? Because we did not understand the main job of science. The main job of science is to create opportunities for jobs, not to occupy jobs.
Okurijira Dr. Musenero government ehiriyo kureba ngo yakwatira habo bona abine bakozireho mu bya Sayansi na Teknolojia.
Our commitment is now to support the innovators and through the university, so that one, we appreciate the journey that we have. Each of those products has to work so that it becomes an industry.
We need our industries, Honorable Minister, to work with our students in mass. And how I wish in the third symposium you have, we engage, start with our own here. All these factories who are here should be here.
Nixon Kamukama umuhezi wa Vice Chancellor habwa Masti arukujunazo w'eby'enshoma y'abeji nagira ngo nibija kureba ngo tubasagara nyuma omukikwate no kuhangaho.
You were clear that without innovation then we cannot move. All these developed countries, they have survived because of innovation, and we cannot lag behind as MBARARA University of Science and Technology.
Atagamba sigiri yitweje njiki nekose amabare hamwe na sora ekwisha kuyamba yamana chako obusenyente twose amor sinyente abonye kujya twose muri sinyente twenda umujyana koso sinyente na saving sente z'amakara.
Musenero agize ngo nibiza kutaba ikitebo cyabo umucanga cyankore okwera abo bona bine barukuhangaho. Adolf Ayureka, TV West, Agacencwire.